What's going on, guys and gals? Hey, it's your boy Cole over here at Cole Legacy Kennels. Appreciate y'all tuning in for another video here. I know it's been a couple days. I just want to drop a video, pretty much just, adding what I had already, giving y'all to the previous video about the making money side of things. Just want to let y'all know, man, if you ain't prepared to lose, you ain't gonna win.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Yeah, I know y'all talking about it. What the hell are you talking about? But seriously, guys, just want to go ahead and give y'all a little info, man. If you ain't prepared to lose, you ain't gonna win. Because if you prepare to lose, in the sense of you prepare to expect the unexpected, you gotta prepare for things to go wrong. You know what I'm saying? That way, when things go wrong, you already got things in place to make it work. Or, you know, especially when it's coming to having puppies, you know, dog not, you know what I'm saying, giving birth like you're supposed to. You know what I'm saying? You already got the contact number for the vet. You got the vet on standby. You know what I'm saying? You got the funds for a C-section if need be and stuff like that. You know, you already got things in place to win, because in a sense, those are things that cause you to lose. So if you got those things in place to lose, then you'll win. You know, so you got to prepare to lose, prepare for things to go bad, prepare for, you know what I'm saying, things to take a turn when you least expect it, because then you're ready to act. You got a game plan and you know what it is that you want to do in the situation that you're in. Do not, you know what I'm saying, be naive and think that, oh, that's not gonna happen to me, or yeah, I'm gonna cut these corners. Do not cut corners when it comes to this bully game, guys. Do not cut corners. Do not put yourself in a situation where you will lose and you will not, you know what I'm saying, win. Like, if you don't prepare yourself, you're preparing to fail. You get what I'm saying? I know y'all done heard that saying, you know, if you don't prepare, then you're prepared to fail. So prepare to be able to take a loss and be okay. But don't put your everything, last dollar into the business if you can't afford to keep this business going, because you will be in the red for a long time. You probably won't even come out the red because you didn't prepare to properly fund and manage your business. Because I'm telling you, breeding dogs, that's money. It takes money. It doesn't take one dog and two dogs just to put dogs together. You know, it takes proper planning and proper, you know what I'm saying, procedures to go by. You know, you might want to switch things up, you know what I'm saying, try something different. You might want to do a natural tie. You might want to do an AI. You know, you might want to switch things up in that sense. But say you don't do the natural tie, AI costs money. All right, but before you get AI, you gotta get the progesterone test. It costs money. To do things the right way and to be legitimized, it costs money. It's not a hit or miss, let's just try it, wing it, you know what I'm saying, we gonna make it work. 9 times out of 10 ain't gonna work out for you, and you could have did something better to, you know what I'm saying, help you out in the end. Do not sit there and let people tell you, oh, you can do this and get away with it, you can do that and get away with it. Follow your program, how you want to run your program. Don't think because somebody else did it and it worked for them that it will work for you. You got to figure out what works best for you on your own. Yes, it's good to have mentors. It's good to have somebody to tell you, you know what I'm saying, that the best way of doing things is this way, and you take that advice. That's fine. But when you got somebody that's telling you to cut corners, that is somebody that don't have your best interests, you know. So do not cut corners. Do not limit yourself to being you know what I'm saying, just a backyard breeder. If you want to breed for the betterment of this breed or any breed, definitely put your best foot forward. Don't give up. Keep grinding, and never get down on yourself when something go wrong, because it's gonna go wrong. And you might have 10 litters and you get complacent, then it happens. You know what I'm saying? You might do well for a while, and then you get complacent and it happens. You always have to stay aware and on your grind, because I'm telling you, this game is ruthless. Like, and you got people that are really trying to get over on you and try to sell you a dream and act like they on your team when they really ain't rooting for you at all. They want you to fail. You know, that's what they sitting back just hoping that you fail, because then they can come up off of you with something, or kind of talk you into giving them a cheaper dog or selling your dogs to them because you want to give up. You know, it's all kind of people out here in this world, y'all. Do not let somebody that doesn't have enough sense to give you the correct way lead you. Do not let them guide you into making the mistakes that they're making, or they know that are the result of something that can come from that. So, man, I just wanted to talk to y'all about that, man, real quick. Not a long video at all. I just wanted to give y'all a pretty much add-on video, in a sense, to that. You prepare to lose so you can win. That's my take for today's video is prepare to lose so you can win. Because you prepare to take these losses and prepare to go through these things, then you'll be better adjusted and equipped to make changes and make things work for you when things go wrong. Because things will go wrong. Like I said, they will go wrong. So definitely guys, stay up to date with me. I'll definitely be putting out some more videos. Man, I got a lot on my plate right now, but I'm still trying. I'm coaching my I'm head coach of my son's baseball team this year. So, you know, last year, you know, it was football and baseball. Now we're back to baseball again. So y'all guys keep rocking with me. And all y'all new subscribers, man, I salute you guys, man. Appreciate you guys for subscribing, staying tuned what I got, you know what I'm saying, to give. I done talked to a couple of you guys. I appreciate it. Hey, good looking out. We are past 300 subscribers now. At the beginning, like I said, at the beginning of the year, we was at 100. February, we passed 2. Now here we at March, you know, we done passed 300, and we steady climbing. I appreciate that. My views are steady going up, so that means I'm doing something right if you guys are steady watching my videos. So I appreciate you guys, and definitely, if you're not subscribed, smash that like button, hit the bell notification, and we will give you the content that we have here at Cole Legacy Kennels. Do not think that I don't see you guys and don't appreciate you guys. I love you guys, because y'all make me want to do this even more. So definitely keep in touch and give me, you know what I'm saying, give me your eyes and your love. I appreciate it. Even the negative stuff, man, I appreciate it. Hey, that's how you feel. That's how you feel. It is what it is. But definitely stay up to date. I'm coming with new stuff. I got some stuff in the works. It's about to be springtime, you know, so about to get back out here in this yard and do some stuff. But as always, we appreciate it. Cole Legacy Kennels.